China, divided. Why we're living in an age of walls. Xi Jinping, China's leader, faces challenges in unifying the vast, diverse country with significant disparities across urban, rural, rich, and poor regions. The Great Wall, an iconic symbol of unity, holds a complex historical significance, and its potential as a tourist attraction was emphasized by Deng Xiaoping. Ethnic, cultural, and regional differences pose significant obstacles to China's unity, especially in non-Han regions of Xinjiang and Tibet. These regions resist Beijing's control despite their strategic security and resource importance. Increasing Han Chinese population in these areas, especially Xinjiang, has led to ethnic tensions and occasional violence. Tibet faces similar tensions, with an influx of Han population affecting the region's aspiration for Tibetan self-rule. China's internal ethnic and economic divisions threaten long-term unity and prosperity. Economic disparities, with coastal areas prospering more than rural interiors, remain a key challenge. China's economic model, focused on production and consumption, has lifted many out of poverty, but with environmental consequences and increased income inequality. The country must balance economic growth with social and regional equity. Wealth inequality is also a major issue, worsened after the 1979 economic reforms. Urbanization is one strategy being employed, moving millions from rural to urban areas. However, this has highlighted the urban-rural divide and the disadvantages faced by urban migrant workers. Addressing these issues requires a balanced approach to urban and rural development, an expensive and difficult task. China's aging population, a result of the one-child policy, is another challenge, straining the labor force and social services. Internally, the government maintains stability using strict control over information, leading to a complex balance between economic growth, social stability, and regional equity. Authorities have implemented strict cybersecurity laws to control digital communication. The Internet's potential is recognized by President Xi Jinping, who has centralized control over China's cyber strategy. Censorship limits access to certain information and affects China's economic potential in innovation. However, the government considers this a necessary compromise for maintaining control and preventing organized opposition.